Hey 8th grade, this is Ms. Harkness, and this video is for Module 1, Lesson 4, where we're looking at the zero property. It's important to know with this property that anything to the zero power equals 1. And here's why. Take a look here at question 2. According to exponent laws, we would use the quotient rule here, which would tell me to subtract the exponents. So it's x to the 4 minus 4, which is going to give me x to the 0. But you remember from just general math that this expression is the same on the top as the bottom. Anytime we come across that in math, it equals 1. So like 5 over 5 equals 1. 8 over 8 equals 1. 52 over 52 equals 1. So x to the 4th over x to the 4th, it's the same on the top and the bottom, equals 1. Now let's look at one that's a little more complex. So here we have our product rule, our quotient rule, our power rule, and our zero exponent happening. So let me simplify this for a second. 2 times 3 is 6. X squared and x to the 1 is going to give me x cubed. And then my denominator, that 0, is going to come into the x and the 2. Well, 0 times x is just 0. 0 times 2 is 0. So that eliminates completely. X to the 0 equals 1. So here my answer is just going to be 6x cubed. Back to this denominator here. That 0, when I use the power rule to apply it to the x and the exponent, it canceled both of them out. 0 times anything is 0. So that whole denominator is going to eliminate and turn into a 1. As we get familiar with this, these are going to feel more comfortable to us, and we're going to be looking for that 0 to look for parts of the problem that we could eliminate right away. In this problem, I really only needed to solve the numerator. I only needed to simplify that part using my product rule. But it's always good to double check and do the math behind it. Hope this helps.